October-November 2020, paper 4, 4-3 is variant. First question of this paper is from kinematics of motion in a straight line, vertical motion. A particle P is projected vertically upwards with the speed v meter per second from a point on the ground. Its greatest height after 3 seconds, P P reaches its greatest height after 3 seconds. Particle P is projected vertically upwards with speed v meter per second from a point on the ground. P reaches its greatest height after 3 seconds. Find V. Let this is the ground. Particle is projected vertically upward. Initial speed is V. This is horizontal ground. This is the highest point. Speed is 0 at the highest point. Acceleration due to gravity is negative 10 meter per second square. And time is given, that is 3 seconds. We have to find initial speed with which it is projected, with which the particle is projected. We are using this equation. V is equal to U plus G T. V final speed is 0. Initial speed, we are representing it by V. So we are writing here V plus Gt. V minus 10 into T is 3. V minus 30. So V is equal to 30 meter per second. The part B of this question is find the greatest height of P above the ground. Now we have to find this greatest height of the particle P. Now we use this equation. Initial speed of the particle is 30 meter per second. So height will be, we are using this formula, height is equal to ut plus 1 over 2 g t square. H is equal to, initial speed is 30, time is 3 seconds, g minus 10, t square, 3 square. Simplifying, we get 90 minus 45. So we get the greatest height of P will be 45 meter. This is the answer.